What's up, guys? It's Mo, and today I have a plan with me featuring a long vertical kit that is in the 5/16 shop. It is a 2-page kit. I've since updated to them being 3 pages, so 6 pages total, I guess. I'm also using some of this silver foil. I couldn't decide between stars or confetti. I ended up going with the confetti ones, but that is also a DIY printable in the shop. I'm still in my Christmas planner. This is I'm filming this at the end of December, but this is for like the second full week in January. And I want to show you these long vertical templates that I have. So I've already filmed a video and shared with you guys the standard vertical templates, but now I want to share with you the long vertical ones. So again, you just snap it into your planner, line it up on your paper. You don't have to use grid paper. You can use plain white paper. You can do whatever you want. And then you just trace each line. The long vertical is easier, I'd say, because you're just tracing one line, because the boxes for the long vertical planner are butted up against each other. So you trace all, 5 lines on the right side, and then only trace 4 of the lines on the left side, so you only get 3 columns. And then you'll need to take a ruler and create the top and bottom lines. I also take the extra step of measuring, which you'll see me do here in a minute, measuring out the 2.5 inches, I believe, that they are, or that the boxes are long. Since this type of planner, usually you're not using like bougie boxes or whatever, and you're kind of planning in a different way. Technically, you wouldn't have to. I just know that I'm going to see the lines, and it's going to be easier divided up for me if I draw the lines for the 3 boxes on each column. So I just measure that out, use a pencil, mark it down, and draw across. These templates make it so much easier to draw your layouts, and then you can just keep them in the back of your planner and then use whichever one whenever you need it. So I'm going to leave those linked down below, like I have in all of the videos where I have drawn out my my layouts. And I also have one for the monthly. I'm going to try and do a February plan with me, monthly plan with me. I don't really use my monthly layouts, but try to do one so that you can see how it will look. But I mean, it makes it so easy to draw these layouts rather than having to measure and count dots and like all of this stuff. You just draw it and go. And here I am kind of lining it up for the 3 boxes on the right hand side, but it just makes it so much easier. I also am not sure how this audio is going to sound. I cannot find my tiny little mic that I use to record these voiceovers. I actually use just my iPhone headphones, and I cannot find them. I don't know where they are. So I don't know if there's going to be background noise or whatnot. So I apologize. I'm trying to film this with Marcus is napping, and nobody's here, so it's good. Also, I don't know if it's going to be echoey, but we'll just move into putting down the stickers. So I have the date covers are in strips, which I think is much more easier to put down when it comes to planning in the long vertical style instead of butting them up right against each other. So they're in long strips. I'm also trying to decide between which washi to use. I include 2 washi tapes in these kits, but usually only one, or you'll have to like squish them together, will fit across the bottom, and I can't decide which one to use. I remember thinking, I don't want it to be too light, I don't want it to be too dark. Should I use the wood grain? Should I not use the wood grain? So I'm using the wood grain. But this, I forgot to mention, this is one of my favorite kits that I have ever made. I love the like cozy wintry theme. It's actually a Christmas or technically it's not even a Christmas. There's a box that says Merry Christmas in it, so you could use it as a Christmas kit, but I am using this in the second week of January, and I'm just not using that box. So this comes with the 8 full boxes. And what's going to happen, I have reformatted this to be a 3-page, I say a 3-page kit, it prints on 3 pages and trims down to be 6 pages. I have included another longer box, like a tall fashion box, it's sometimes called, on the 3-page kit that I'm reformatting that should show up in the beginning of the year. when I have time. And then there's going to be some checklists. This is same for standard vertical and long vertical. I've reformatted them to be, and this is like sort of a quote unquote deluxe style kit. I've reformatted them to be in the 3 pages. And this is designed to fit the print then cut area of your Cricut Explore. So you will be able to upload this, like you don't have to do anything to it except remove the branding strip at the bottom. Just use your eraser tool and remove that. Upload it, size it to be 6.75 by 9.25, print, and then cut it. And then how I showed you in the beginning, how it trims each page, kind of trims down, you'll be able to slice it in half, cut around the 4 edges, slice it in half, and store it in your what do you call it, like sticker storage. I've designed it so that they will fit. Same with the overlays. Once you print and cut them and foil them, you can cut them in half or trim them down, cut them in half, whatever you need to do to store them in your sticker storage. I wanted to make these guys easy for you all to store and not just easy for you all to print. And let me know, I don't know if I'm going to offer this as a template in the shop because it is such a deluxe style template. Let me know if you guys are looking for like a multiple page template, in the shop, so that you can create your own stickers that you can cut and store a certain way. But I've just laid down all my full boxes and all the overlays, and now I'm putting the overlay on the bottom washi. And this is just a really small, this is one of the first overlays I made. So the confetti is quite tiny. I think it's delicate. I really like it, but it also doesn't really show up well on camera or in photos or whatnot. It really only shows up in person. And I am using the little heart checklists from checklist flags. I don't know, they're like scallop checklists though, for this layout. Like I said, the 3-page kit will have full boxes like ombre heart checklists. I don't really like ombre heart checklists when it comes to the long vertical. I feel like it takes up a lot of space. I like to use checklist flags when I'm doing a long vertical spread. And I don't know what I'm trying to say here. The way I'm planning here is lends more towards the like standard vertical way I plan, and not, I have like a pre-plan with me, happy planner video, and this I'm planning in a different way than that video. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I really like to use the like photo kits, and I will plan very sparingly with more white space when it comes to long vertical. But in this case, I'm doing a more, filled up type of planning. I'm not going to use any bougie boxes. I had thought about it, but then I decided not to, or I don't know. I think that's what SPC calls them. I just call them bougie boxes because I love that term, but I think they're just called full box underlays, like any confetti, underlays or whatever. I'm not using any of those because I haven't used it yet in a long vertical, and I don't know how it's going to look. So I decided to just play it safe today. What if I don't like it, etc. I did find that Girl Boss Anna has some overlay tapes that are designed for the Happy Planner size, that long vertical size, but I don't know if they're going to make them anymore because I got ones from that shop on like a super discount, I think, and it was only a couple foil colors, and so I don't know if they're going to be made anymore. But now I'm just filling up my sidebar. I love this kit. Like I said, it's a super deluxe kit. I love all the things that I included in this kit. It fills up the page so nicely. And when you purchase the 3-page kit, I know I'm talking about 3-page versus 2-page. The 3-page kit, there's even more stuff that you can use. There's little like quote unquote little things, boxes, and I mean it fills up your spread even more. I really do like this little deluxe, I guess, kind of template that I made. So I'm just filling in the sidebar using some checklists, some glitter headers type deals, and some of the washi. I don't do a lot of glitter headers with the long vertical style planner. All of the boxes in the kits are going to be the full height of the long vertical box. So 1.5 inches wide by 2.5, I believe it is, inches tall. I don't like putting the headers there. I like to fill up that full box with the full box sticker. So we're getting into kind of laying down stickers day by day. This is a pre-plan. This is the end of December. I'm just laying down stickers for the to make the spread look nice for the second week of January. So what I normally do for that is just space things out so they look nice. Sometimes I know I'm going to probably have a YouTube video on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I will have trash that needs to go out on Wednesdays. There may be an event or something that I know that's happening at that time, but that I'm going to mark in my planner, etc. But I might not have plan the entire week out. This is not, I know exactly what I'm doing. This is just lay down the spread, make it look nice and pretty kind of thing. And then I will put the stickers, because there is deco stickers and there is like some functional icons and stuff. So I will put those in the back pocket of my planner. And when it comes to that week, I'll be able to lay those stickers down and, use them for things that need to be marked down. Right now, it's just all about creating balance and creating a nice, pretty looking spread. Most of the time I'm doing my spreads in my pre-planning and just laying down stickers for some sticker therapy. Honestly, I just want to get creative and I want to just put down stickers because I just like spending time playing in my planner. I like putting down stickers. I even will just sit and fill up my reusable sticker book just for therapy. I really think it is. So yeah, I'm just continuing to lay down boxes and make the spread look nice, trying to use an even assortment and I guess spray of different elements in the kit. I will go back and, like I said, use deco and functional stuff on the week that I'm using this, and that's why I like to keep my kits in my planner, because then I can know which where the kits are, like they're not just laying around my desk everywhere. I also tried to create this kit to where you could just have a couple pages in your planner, like to not scatter the, I think I did that kind of on the standard vertical, but I tried to not scatter the elements all over all pages so that you'd have to carry all these pages in your planner. I tried to make it so some things were kind of grouped together so you could have, just a couple pages in your back pocket of your planner and not have to keep everything together. So I have just one box left, and it's the one that says Merry Christmas, and I'm not going to use it because this is the second week of January. But yeah, this is what the spread's going to look like. I think I'm kind of thinking about what I'm going to do if I'm putting down the dates or not here, and I think I end up putting down the dates. And that's the other thing. These kits come with dates. I thought that was very important to have the kits have the dates with them. You don't have to use them. You can use like overlay tape dates that you may have, like something from Rose Colored Days. But I thought it was very important to have the dates here so that you had like an all-inclusive, comprehensive kit. That's what I wanted to do, because not a lot of people, you don't have to have all these like character stickers and deco and stuff. But yeah, this is what's left over from the kit. There's not too much, decorative stuff. It's more the functional stuff that's left over. So I'm going to pop this back into my planner. I am loving this Notique planner cover. I really, really do. I really do love it. And today is the day when I'm actually setting up my 2021 planner. So that it's not this Christmas one as I go into planning more stuff as we get into 2021. So yeah. That is my spread. I'm going to stick these stickers. I think I'm looking to see if there's anything else I want to put down. Oh, yeah. Put down some silver YouTube icons, I guess you would call it. And I think I put down a payday icon because those are the things I know that are happening on, that time period. I just make sure that I'm doing that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Go ahead and check out my other Plan With Me videos, my other planner tutorial videos. I want you guys to be able to make all the planner stickers and planner stuff that you want. So that's what my channel is filled with. And I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.